Whatever happens to me, I will avenge Guan Yu.
My lord, please, stand down! Turn back! We need you in this world! My lord! Allow my spear to make them pay for the death of Guan Yu!
Soon Quan must pay for the death of Guan Yu.
Just because we're a supply base doesn't mean we can't fight.
My might was not enough!
Another has fallen to my spear! Take this!
My final battle.
Another has fallen to my spear!
So you must be looking for trouble. This is to be my final battle.
Another has fallen to my spear!
Just because we're supplied doesn't mean we can't fight.
Do you think you can stop me? Another has fallen to my spear!
Beat it! Get out of my way! I'm not letting anyone get near Zhu Ron.
Is this one of the enemy's tactics?
was not enough!
Another has fallen to my spear!
Their strategy has failed. Tear them limb from limb.
Do you really think you stand a chance against me? Such a bright future.
Another has fallen to my spear!
Come and fight me if you dare! Looks like I got a little carried away.
Another has fallen to my spear!
Just because we're a supply base doesn't mean we can't fight.
Keep a tight formation. Head straight for the commander. Your treachery shall not go unpunished. It's over already.
Another has fallen to my spear!
This should be over shortly.
Stand and fight! We can take these guys.
Just because we're a supply base doesn't mean we can't fight.
Don't forget about us! Here we come!
We have a chance to win this.
I shall be your opponent.
I challenge you!
Your skills have run down.
So this is to be my final battle.
Another has fallen to my spear!
I have no intention of losing a battle as personal as this one.
This should be over shortly.
Let us fight fair and square. We have a chance to win this. Not there. Now let me show you what I can do.
My spear will answer any challenge.
It cost me my life. I've let everybody down.
Another has fallen to my spear! The end is near!
We have a chance to win this.
I have let my father and brother down.
Another has fallen to my spear!
It was a dangerous battle, but I was able to kill my hated enemy, Sun Quan. Surely Guan Yu and Zhang Fei must have lent me their strength from up in the heavens above. Now that the battle is over, I must apologize to everybody for going to battle without heeding your advice. I ask that you forgive me and continue to serve me and the land of Shu.
A new bodyguard has come to act in your service. This bodyguard is renowned in 3 kingdoms as a veteran of great ability.